Wait, what if I told you that the moment a man learns this one truth, every woman who ever tried to manipulate his emotions instantly loses all power? Sounds extreme, right? But stay with me, because once you understand this, you'll never see relationships the same way again. That the secret women never expect men to learn. Here's the truth. Most women don't fear losing a man. They fear losing the control they have over his emotions. And the only reason that control exists is because most men don't understand their own value. That the moment a man becomes emotionally independent, everything changes. Stoic psychology teaches one law. He who controls himself cannot be controlled by anyone else. Women don't expect men to reach this level, because when a man stops reacting, stops begging, stops explaining himself, and starts observing, something shocking happens. The woman loses the emotional leverage she once had. Why men lose power without even knowing it? Psychology says people will treat you based on how much you need them. But the more desperate you are, the more invisible you become. Most men give too much, too fast, too emotionally open, and women subconsciously register this as weakness. But a stoic man learns the opposite. Don't chase validation, don't react emotionally, don't depend on someone for your happiness. And suddenly, the power dynamic flips. The moment everything shifts, here's the moment that finishes everything. When a woman realizes she cannot shake a man's peace, cannot break his routine, cannot control his emotions, she is forced, psychologically, to respect him. Not because he demands respect, but because his behavior naturally earns it. That Stoicism isn't about being cold, it's about being unshakable. And when a man becomes unshakable, women start acting differently. They text more first, they stop taking him for granted, they put effort, they try to impress him. They treat him as a high-value man. Why? Because emotional independence is the rarest trait in men today. The mindset that makes men untouchable. Here's the mindset that ends emotional manipulation forever. I respond, I don't react. When she gives attitude, you stay calm. When she pulls away, you stay focused. And when she tries to test you, you stay centered. This calmness is what drives women crazy, because it shows one thing. You are in control of yourself. And psychology proves it. People are most attracted to those they cannot easily influence. Here's the truth. Men don't hear enough. Once you build emotional strength, once you know your worth, once you stop seeking validation, women are no longer in control of your happiness. And that's when everything changes. That's when a woman realizes, this man cannot be played. Stay stoic, stay focused, stay powerful.